Okay, welcome back to Buddy's Garage. Uh, Still going to keep working on my hood. I'm going to try to get it ready to paint this week. It's supposed to be great weather, but I still see a couple of areas that I don't really like. So I'm going to work on those. Also, going to work on my top. I've got the fenders all ready, pretty much ready to go, and got it all taped off. And then I'll tape the rest of the car. Turned out really good. This area right here, I don't think I'm going to repaint it because the top's going to sit down on it. It's not really worth it. I am going to do the trunk. I'm going to do the trunk, the hood, and pretty much the fenders across the front of the vents and everything in the front and the hood. And I'm going to paint that probably this week if the weather cooperates, and I think it's going to. But today I'm going to get my top back out and see if I can't put this rear glass into my top so I can get that ready to put on when it's ready to go. So that's what we're looking at today. So I want to thank you guys for joining me today. Share, like, and subscribe, and I'll give you a little update on the little suitcase railroad this afternoon. Thanks a lot. Appreciate it. Well, you win some, you lose some. So I haven't gotten the rear glass in completely yet. I got it pretty good on this corner. I mean, on most of it, except for that corner and this corner. And I'm going to have to get something that will hold it in better than what I have. And I have some more tools over in my other garage that help you get the ends in. So I'm gonna let this sit overnight, take a break, and I'll come back and attack it again tomorrow. That's pretty much all I'm gonna do this weekend. So I'll get back. We're supposed to have great weather this week, so I should get some other things done. But I'm going to work on this top until I get it in. Either I'm going to get it in or I'm going to break the glass. So stand by. Hey, I want to give you an update on the suitcase railroad. Nobody's moved in yet. I did get my bridge trestle built the other day. I'm going to do a bridge trestle here and one here on this side, a little trestle, and I'm going to have a river running through here and a river going through here. And this is a service station that I haven't done anything with yet. I've got to paint it and everything, but I got part of my rail line, so I'm going to try to get my rail in this week. I did get my new motorhome. As you can see, this is my new camper. So I'll be hooking this. It's got a light to it, so I got to figure out how I hook the light to it. So got my pins that I need to put down the cork for the the rail, and so hopefully I'll get some work done. It's supposed to rain this afternoon, so I won't be messing with the car. So after I'll be able to get some of this stuff done. So I'll keep you updated. Thanks. Good morning, everybody. Buddy here from Bert's Garage. I want to give you a little update. What I did this last couple days. It's been really nice down here, but the weather's supposed to get cold, so I'm trying to get some things accomplished and before I leave town for a couple days. So I'm going to give you a little update, walk around, show you what's going on here, and I'll give you an update on my train set this afternoon. So I got the new coat of paint on everything, multiple coats yesterday. Doesn't have any clear on it, so once when I get back, I'll put some clear on it. But right now I didn't have time. So I got a couple places I need to. I want to put another little coat on this. I put just a brief coat on the hood, and I got to put another coat on that today. The trunk turned out really nice overall. Even the little area at the top, which I wasn't crazy about, looks better than it was. So I'm not going to worry myself to death over it. I do have a little place here I got to fix, and So that's where we stand on that. So I've got to put some more paint on it and wait for warm weather to put a clear coat on it. The top it's not working out. We had a chance. We tried to fix it. We tried to get the glass back in the top last week and didn't have very good luck with it. So I think what we're going to do is put the top on the car, and I'm going to get my friend Everett and another friend of mine, David, to put pressure on the glass from the outside in. I want to get on the inside and work the rope around the outside to get the seal. I got online and everyone just complains. It's no easy solution. I couldn't find anybody who wants to deal with this. I've got one guy in Goose Creek who may call me back, and so if he does, I'll take it up to him and get him to do it. That's all I can really do. So we're going to work on this a little bit today. And there was a little area here that it had some sort of reaction, as you can see. Let me show it to you. Right here, there's a reaction with the paint. I'm not sure if it's in the filler that's underneath of it, but you can see it sort of bubbles up. So I might have to sand that all the way down to metal and reshoot it. So I'm going to let this dry for a minute, and then I might do some sanding to get it down. But I'll let you know. Thanks. All right, a little update time. I did get a chance to put another coat of paint on the car. I won't turn it around so you can see. And had a little blemish right through here. Got most of that out. We also have to put clear on it, but it turned out pretty good. The hood's not too bad. A lot of the dents you'll see, but at this point I'm not messing with it again. I'm gonna put some clear on it, and we're gonna let it roll. It's just, with all the dings and stuff in the hood to begin with, it's what it is. It's what it is. Let's get it on the car. Let's get the car on the road, and doesn't look too bad. It's okay. So this area, put a little bit more paint on. The crinkling that I had yesterday did not crinkle this afternoon. Temperature was totally different. I also did a light coat and actually walked away. So that looks okay. We got to clear it. Once we clear it, and then we'll be able to polish it. I think it'll be fine. It's not a Concours d'Elegance car, but it's a daily driver, and it's going to be a little sweet little ride. So that's where we stand this afternoon. I'll give you a little update on the train set when I get over to the house, but that'll be pretty much it for the day. Everybody have a great day. Thanks. All right, this is our afternoon update from the railroad. Got the train running. Has a little issue right there in that little corner, but I'm waiting for the ballast, and then I'm going to adjust the track a little bit. But I do have the power on in the camper, so if anybody needs to rent it, it's available. Gas station is not complete yet. But it's coming along good. Give you an update next week. Thanks.